Hello everyone and welcome back to Judge This Dinner. So we are here at Cheesecake Factory and we have our food. So we both got different food. Grandma, let's see what you got.
I've got Bang Bang shrimp and chicken with white rice, and it's in a nice, sweet, spicy sauce.
I got just something simple. I got some cheese flatbread. So we're gonna try.
Pizza.
It's not pizza, it's flatbread.
That's pizza.
No, it's not. Okay, sorry.
Shane, that's all.
I'm trying the shrimp first. Oh no, turned out to be chicken. Very good. Moist. It's kind of dark in here, which makes it kind of cool.
Yeah, I took
Awesome, thank you.
our waiter just came.
It's a good meal. They give you a lot to eat here.
Yeah, I got a whole plate of flatbread,
If you think how big, look at how big this is.
but I really rate this a good meal.
I'm going to be taking some of this home. Is yours good?
Mine's very
Is
good.
it tender?
I would rate this a 9.5 out of 10.
Oh, that's great. How's yours, Aiden?
Mine is very good. It tastes very good. It's just like the taste of the food is like very good. I would rate this a 9 out of 10.
Jen, how's your food going?
Thank you for doing that.
My food's delicious. I got the Baja chicken tacos, and they are living up to their name.
All
And
right.
Aiden's got some pasta going on. He's trying to be show.
The food is like very good.
Well, we're glad you enjoy it, Aiden.
It's like it goes spicy then hot. They call it sweet spicy.
He doesn't sound like this in real life.
Mine is a little spicy too. It's not as spicy as I thought, because sometimes when you have Bang Bang shrimp, it's very spicy. This they said was Bang Bang shrimp and chicken, and it's not as spicy
We
as
also
the
got a
regular
little
appetizer.
side dish going on here. We got the same one this time. We got some,
Oh,
okay.
yeah.
We got some
Guacamole.
chips and guac here. Where's yours? Okay. So yeah, here's chips and guac. Cheers to Good Friday. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wait, girl, let's do it.
Oh, that is delicious.
Very good. I rate it a 10 out of 10.
They make their guacamole with a lot of lime,
Yeah, they do.
but it's very light and flavorful.
I definitely rate this a good rating, a full rating, 10 out of 10.
Did you like the guacamole? Aiden, did you like the guacamole?
I rate the guacamole a 9 out of 10. The lime and the taste was very good. The thing is though, if they put more lime in it, it would be better. That's why I don't give the +1.
Oh,
Enjoy your dinner.
very good. Very good.
I'm not. How did you enjoy?
Well, you know what? We're gonna enjoy our dinner, and so we hope you will come to the Cheesecake Factory. Almost anything you order here is very good.
At the Cheesecake Factory, there's pretty much everything you can get. Cake, cheese, cheesecake. Cheese with cake is very tasty. A lot of people like cheese with their cake. However, I cannot really relate. Enjoy your meal and keep eating your cheese with your cake.
Say goodbye, Sienna. Bye.